Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how not to let people see my project in Asana. Actually guys, I always get tensed about our project privacy. So project privacy is very important in our work life. So that's why I'm going to show you how to keep your project private. So it just take a few seconds. So you have to go your as an apps, then click on your project. So here I have a project available there, and not you have to do a simple thing. Just click on the share option, and there you see a private to members option available there. You just click it there, and also click it to private to members, and that's it. It's so easy to make your project private. So, guys, keep tuning our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.